Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Automation Testing Online. From today's video, we are going to discuss about a new topic called Selenium. So let's begin the session. What is Selenium? Selenium is an automation testing tool that is used to test web-based applications. That is, Selenium is used to automate the browsers. Any application that we can open on the browser, we can automate them. For example, if we have Amazon application, we can automate that application on Chrome browser using Selenium. So any of the applications can be automated on any of the browsers. And Selenium is not a single tool, it is a suite of tools. Coming to the components of Selenium, the initial version of Selenium was Selenium 1.0, that is version 1, which consists of only RC, grid, and IDE. The latest release of Selenium was Selenium 2.0, which was integrated with Webdriver API. So its components of Selenium is called as Selenium family or Selenium suite. Webdriver performs faster as compared to RC because Webdriver directly calls the web browsers. So what is in Webdriver? Webdriver is one of the components of Selenium. Webdriver is an interface and an API. Now, what is an API? API acts as the intermediate between a client and a server. We'll understand about API in my upcoming videos. So, in Selenium, Webdriver API provides the communication facility between the browser and the languages. We'll understand by looking into this Webdriver architecture. So there are basically 4 WebDriver components, which are Selenium language bindings, JSON via protocol, browser drivers, and real browsers. Selenium language bindings or Selenium client library consists of various languages like Java, C language, Python, Ruby, JavaScript, etc. For instance, if we wanted to use browser driver in Java, we can use Java bindings. Once the test cases are triggered, internally the automated test scripts are converted into JSON format. So this is how the JSON format looks like. Once the test cases are executed, the entire Selenium code is converted into JSON format. This JSON format is sent to the respective drivers. Either Firefox driver or Chrome driver or any of the drivers will understand this JSON format. So what is a JSON? JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. JSON takes up the task of transferring the information from the client to the server. JSON is primarily responsible for transferring the data between the HTTP servers. So these drivers will understand the JSON format and they will send the instructions to be performed on the application to the respective browsers. As soon as the browser drivers gets any instructions, they run them on the browser. Because browser drivers interacts with the respective browsers to execute the command. Then the response is given back in the form of HTTP response. The browsers which are all supported by the Selenium WebDriver are Firefox driver, Chrome driver, Safari driver, and Internet Explorer. WebDriver has a built-in implementation of Firefox driver, which is called as Gecko driver. For other browsers, we need to plug in their specific browser drivers to communicate and run the test. So friends, this is all about Selenium and Selenium WebDriver architecture. In my next video, we will meet up with a new topic. Thank you.